Is it time to change, brother? Is it time for you to get order in your life? Apologies for the wind. I would argue that if you haven't changed yet, you haven't hit rock bottom yet, bro. You haven't hit rock bottom yet. My brothers who know what rock bottom feels like can attest to this.
I got to ask my woman and her mama for money. How you think that make me feel, huh? Think I feel like a man? Shit is tearing me up, cuz. I don't want to end up killing nobody.
There comes a time when you've had enough. You've had enough of what's going on in your life. And you know you're so low, the only way is up. You haven't hit rock bottom enough. You haven't looked in the mirror and cried. You haven't stayed in bed for 3 days because you can't face the world. You haven't felt anxious enough. You haven't felt frustrated enough for you to do anything. Obviously, that's why you're still cracking on doing what you're doing, living in that comfortable zone, telling yourself, it's not that bad, it's all right. What's all right though? You're a evolving man, you're here to evolve, aren't you? You want to be the best. God gave you everything you need to be great. Is it not time to be great? Is it not time to change? Maybe it's not. You're all right with your little job, your little car, your little girl that sleeps with you from time to time. You know what I mean? It's comfortable. You're all right with how you look. You're all right with the peanuts you're getting. You're all right with working Monday to Friday and having your weekend off. You're all right with it, obviously. Obviously you're all right with it, brother, because you ain't done nothing to change it. Because you haven't hit rock bottom yet. I'm telling you, that ground is racing towards you. It will get you. It's coming. You will splatter. You don't want to leave that shit until you're like 50, 55 and where you can't do nothing about it because you've been sitting in the squalor and the mess for so long. Nah, brother. It's a lot going on. Got to rethink this thing. You have to rethink this thing and get going. You don't want to have to hit rock bottom before you make the changes. You don't want to. Some of us have to. I had to. Being addicted to alcohol, weed, procrastination, laziness, and being comfortable made me splat on that ground, boy. And I was down bad drinking every day. Couldn't stop. I hated myself, bro. That's why I continued to drink. When I didn't drink, the pain was immense. So I thought. Wasn't that painful. I continued to drink. I continued to do the things that made me feel insecure. Continue to do it, man. Wasting time, wasting time. Wasting my energetic years. Don't get me wrong, I'm all right. I'm still motivated, still strong. But that zeal for life, when you're 25, 30, 35 even. I'm in my mid-40s now, with less time and less energy. The difference is that the decreased energy I have I'm using it wisely, so I'm down there beating a 30-year-old with his testosterone because I hit rock bottom. Wasn't happy. Wasn't happy with the future. I wasn't happy with what was going on.
I sit alone in my four-cornered room staring at candles.
I thought to myself, for me to change, it's going to take too much work. It's going to be a mountain to climb. And it was. But what that did not mean it was impossible, my bro. See some rocks there. Hope this wind ain't too bad. That did not mean it was impossible. It was very possible. The reason why it was possible is because I believed it was. Belief is very important. Very, very important. Without belief, you have nothing. Sit on these rocks. You feel me? Pause. Can't even say you feel me no more. What age do you have to be before pause is null and void? It's not applicable. Don't know. The way how men don't want to be men anymore. They want to be women. Suppose I got to continue to say pause. But anyway, I digress. Hit rock bottom. You see these rocks here? Those are the rocks you're going to splatter into, brother. You're going to be on your boat on the ocean, and once these rocks permeate the hull and you start taking on water, with no life raft, you're finished. See the rocks before you smash into them. That worked out real good. See the rocks before you smash into them. There's no lighthouse, brother. There is. And that's the Most High. That's the one, the Alpha and Omega, the one that is greater than yourselves, the one who created these rocks, this sea, this lovely, lovely beach. This is the Gambia reset for me. Reset may be, no, that's the wrong word, because I'm on my mission and I'm doing the works. This is a quick power up. This is a quick week of isolation for me to audit my plans, audit my vision, make sure I'm still on course, making sure I'm not gonna hit the rocks, brother. It's tough, man. It's tough. Especially when you don't have wise counsel and you don't have an older gentleman to take you under his wing and help you. Especially when you're on YouTube and we're suffering from disinformation. But yeah, don't wait till you hit rock bottom, brother, before you make a change. Gotta be like that Michael Jackson tune. Gonna make a change for once in my life.
What part of the game is that?
That was corny. Brother, you know, when you're happy and you're content and you're appreciative and you're doing the works to become, it don't even matter. It don't even matter. Stick to the plan, stick to the script. Nothing can throw you off your pivot. If you're determined and you have self-love and you're serious out here, have to be serious. You have to be serious.